Yes, folks, I have Phoebe from Friends voice.
That's smelly. Hey, Gunther, be a good little boy. Bring me whiskey.
My voice sounds really cool if I was like some kind of American, like blues jazz singer, man. Yeah. So I got a funny feeling that there's not going to be any videos for a while, which is a shame because this sexy voice should not be wasted. But it hurts too much. Anyway, um, I'm still going to film stuff, but obviously I'll probably edit it and do something later on in September. But if you want some gardening content, I haven't done a lot this year, but probably know that I've got a new channel called The Nature Gardener. There's a picture there, and I'll put a link below. So yeah, pop over and subscribe, say hello. That'd be nice, and hopefully I'll catch you all soon when this sore throat's gone. But everything's looking really good. Loads of apples about, look. Don't know if some of you have noticed, I popped a video up the other day of, oh, there's a lovely big seagull in the air. I popped a video up the other day of a little adventure I did up over the Wrekin and down into Iron Bridge with a friend of mine. Yeah, just about getting out and about and trying to get ourselves offline and more out and about in the real world. So I think only about 50 people have watched it, so can't be that bad. So if you're bored and you've got a spare 20 minutes, half an hour, I'd appreciate you popping over and just checking out that video for me. Anyway, I've seriously got to go because I can feel it now, and I need to get a drink, and I also need to feed the chickens and pick some apples. So till next time, folks, take care. Speak soon. Pick some amazing apples. Look at these beauties. Hang on. I'm just eating one. It's so juicy. It's so nice. I tell you what, if any of you are considering having chickens down your allotment, take this video as a good reason to consider that when you've got chickens on an allotment, it doesn't matter how crap you feel, you gotta go down and feed them and water them and stuff. I mean, I leave mine no more than 3 days. 3 days at an absolute push. 2 days is the general rule of thumb for me. And obviously if it's hot or if it's stormy or anything like that, it's every day to make sure they're all right. But yeah, obviously last day or two I felt a bit rough. This morning feel proper rough, and obviously voice is going, but still had to get up, come down, do the chickens, because obviously I'm a chicken keeper and you gotta look after them. So yeah, so if you're thinking about having chickens down the allotment, learn from my videos. They are a commitment. Some would say they're a bit of a bind. I get that, I understand it, you know, when you want to go away and stuff, but it's serious consideration. Allotment chickens, it's a proper full-time job at times. And on mornings like today, when I just wanted to lie in bed with a cup of tea and, I don't know, watch on YouTube or something, I gotta get up. And I mean, it's not that cold, it's the temperature at 12.5 degrees, so it's a bit colder than normal, but I'm absolutely froze. My fingers feel like they're turning blue. Oh, there's a squirrel down there. What's he got? He's got a nut. Where's he going? He's going under my car. Squirrels are everywhere at the moment. They're harvesting all the sunflower heads from people who've grown sunflowers down the allotment. They had mine ages ago, but yeah, I love seeing them because they're cheeky little monkeys. They just run around with like a sunflower heart in their mouth. I don't know where it's gone. So yeah, just the second one I've seen today with something in its gob running that way. So yeah. Anyway, folks, much love. Catch you all soon. But as I said, please check out my other videos because there's probably not going to be anything for at least a couple of weeks. Because even if I film something the end of this week or next week, it's still going to take me a few days to edit it and stuff. And I know I don't post weekly or anything like that. But if you wondered where I'd gone, that's where I've gone. Anyway, folks, catch you in a bit.